The equipment needed for the 1 mile jog test is proper running attire, 400-meter track, a heart rate monitor which is optional, pencil and paper, a stopwatch, and a scale. The 1 mile test is a submaximal test for 18 to 29-year-old men and women. The elapsed time for the test should be at least 8 minutes for men and 9 minutes for women. The test requires moderate steady state exertion. The protocol is to begin with a 2 to 3 minute warm-up of dynamic stretches, select a comfortable moderate jogging pace, measure post-exercise heart rate immediately after the test using the palpation technique on the radial or carotid sites, and stretch after the test. My warm-up consisted of 4 dynamic stretches on the field going back and forth. I started with butt kicks, high knees, lunges, and raised leg toe touches. Now that I'm warmed up, I am ready to do the 1 mile jog test in at least 9 minutes. And remember to measure your heart rate after the test using the palpation technique on the radial or carotid site. And also remember, heart rate is not to exceed 180. I measured my heart rate on the carotid site for 15 seconds and the number I got was 35. I multiplied by 4, so my heart rate was 140. Now it's time to cool down and stretch. The stretches I did were toe touches, the quadricep stretch, the hamstring stretch, and the butterfly. Now for the 1 mile walking test. This test is for 20 to 69-year-old men and women, and this test is good for the older and sedentary population. The protocol is to begin with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up of dynamic stretches, walk the mile as quickly as possible, measure heart rate immediately after the test, and stretch after the test. Remember to warm up 5 to 10 minutes prior to the test. My warm-up was butt kicks, high knees, lunges, and raised toe touches. Also remember to measure heart rate for 15 seconds and multiply by 4. I used the carotid site and my heart rate was 110. Also remember to stretch after the test. I did toe touches, the quadricep stretch, hamstring stretch, and the butterfly. Here are the formulas for the 1 mile jog and the 1 mile walk. The conversions for pounds to kilograms is 1 pound equals 0.454 kilograms. My weight was 125 pounds, so I multiplied that by 0.454 kilograms, which gave me 56.75 kilograms. The conversion for minutes to a decimal, my time for the jog was 11 minutes with 8 seconds. I divided the 8 seconds by 60, which gave me 0.13, so my time was 11.13 minutes. My time for the walk was 14 minutes with 36 seconds. I divided the 36 seconds by 60, which gave me 0.6. So my time was 14.06 minutes. What you need to plug in for the mile jog formula is your body weight in kilograms, time in minutes, your heart rate in beats per minute, and your gender, which for males is 1 and for females is 0. So I went ahead and plugged in my weight, which was 56.75 kilograms, my time, which was 11.13, my heart rate, which was 140, and my gender, which was 0. And that gave me 48.24 milliliters per kilogram per minute. For the mile walk, you plug in your body weight in kilograms, your age in years, your gender, time in minutes, and your heart rate in beats per minute. I went ahead and plugged in my weight, which was 125 pounds, my age, which is 25, gender, which is 0, my time, which was 14.06, and my heart rate, which was 110 beats per minute, which gave me 50.68 millimeters per kilogram per minute. According to the fitness categories for maximal aerobic power for men and women by age, under the maximal VO2 column, I fall under the superior category for both the walk and the jog. This concludes my video. Thanks for watching.